Hi, my name is Aslam Moolla and I am a registered attorney. That's what we're going to be covering in today's video. This video is going to be split into two parts. The first part is if the parties got married and they're now getting a divorce, and the second part is if there was only an engagement and the parties never got married. What happens to the ring in both these situations? Let's get started with the first one. Let's assume that the parties got married and now they agree to get a divorce. What happens to the engagement ring in that situation? In that situation, South African law regards the engagement ring as a gift. What this means is that it's given by one person to the other. So if you married and you get a divorce, you are entitled to keep that engagement ring because it is seen as a gift given to you by your partner. Your partner has no right or claim in terms of that engagement ring. However, if the parties were only engaged and no marriage had taken place, then the engagement ring must be returned back to the person who gave it to you because you never got married. So the difference between the two positions are, if you got married and you got a divorce, the engagement ring is yours. It's a gift that was given to you. If on the other hand you were just engaged only and you never got married, then the engagement ring must be returned to the person who had given it to you. If you need help in your situation, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best and I'll speak to you soon.